Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you through applying coupons when making subscription payments in BoldSign. Coupons will be promotional codes that provide discounts or other benefits to customers for a specific time period. Let's consider a scenario where BoldSign offers a Black Friday deal to clients purchasing a plan for their BoldSign accounts. This enables new clients to upgrade their subscription plans at a discounted rate, giving them access to advanced features. Clients can apply the coupons either during the payment process or after completing the payment. Let me demonstrate how to apply coupons while making payments. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. I expand the settings menu. I choose the subscription option to navigate to the subscription page. I move to the overview section. Here I need to upgrade my subscription plan with a coupon to access the advanced feature at a reduced cost. To do this, I click the upgrade option in the plan column. This takes me to the change plan page. I am going to change the plan for web app pricing. I can choose my subscription to be paid either yearly or monthly. I choose the yearly subscription due to the long-term cost saving. The current plan is the Essentials plan. To upgrade to the Growth plan, I click the Upgrade button. This takes me to the Payment Details section. I haven't added card details or a billing address yet, so I do that. Next, I need to enter the coupon code. I move to the Plan Summary section. In this section, the total yearly cost for this plan is displayed in the Growth Yearly column. I click the Apply Promo Code option in the Promo column. This allows me to enter a valid coupon code. I then click Apply. If the coupon code is invalid, an error pop-up notification will be displayed. I can also remove the coupon code. It's important to note that each coupon code can only be used once per account. The new total cost for the plan after the discount is displayed in the Total Due Today column. I'll take a moment to review all the changes I've made, ensuring everything is in order. I then click the Buy Now button to purchase the plan. The payment process is completed successfully, and now I can enjoy the new features in the Growth plan. You can, however, still add a coupon code even after activating a subscription plan. Let me demonstrate. I navigate back to the subscription page and move to the billing information section. Next, I move to the promo column. Here I can add the coupon code by clicking the Apply Promo Code option. Once the coupon code is successfully applied, the discount will be reflected in the next billing cycle. You can check the adjusted cost in the Next Due column. That's how you apply coupons during subscription payment or after activating the subscription plan in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.